front of me I've got OPPO Reno 5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Enter loyalty and select your loyalty card you want to add. You can scan card or enter details manually. Now let's go to gift card. Which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to add card number, PIN, balance and your notes. Then tap save. And the last one is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.